What's going on? So I got you on the Tascam DR-05 linear PCM recorder. I don't know if that focused. My camera doesn't do autofocus. But anyways, I'll attach a picture somewhere. Tascam DR-05X. Finally came in. Came in one day early after my what was that? Ordering debacle. Well, not really a debacle, but it wasn't in stock. Wasn't in stock at Adorama, so I canceled it. Found it on Reverb, and then after finalized on Reverb, how's that for the mic? Finalized on Reverb, Adorama had it back on stock. All good. First world problems, right? Anyways, just testing it out. You are on the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier mic. It's right here on my jacket if you don't see it. And of course, you're on the 24mm Canon Lens on the Rebel T2i. Joby tripod with ball head mounted over there somewhere, passenger side of the Impala. So, yep, I gotta pack some clothes. I gotta go on a little trip tomorrow, so I'll bring it back. All right, we back. I'm just testing the Tascam DR-05X in handheld mode. So I set it on stereo. I'm talking directly into the Tascam using the external mics on the microphone itself, or linear recorder itself. Testing out the sound. There's one side, other side, front side, back side. Looking at the monitor right now, just making sure it's recording. Okay. Cool. All right. So I used to be one of those people who would pack 5 days worth of clothes, garbage, for a 2-day trip. So I don't know. I always thought that it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. And that saying goes good on a lot of things. Or better to look at it than look for it. But in traveling, it's not very fun when you're looking at it and not using it. Now your back hurts because you're tired of carrying your bag that has 5 days worth of clothes and you only wore 1.5 days worth of clothes. So just gotta think before you pack and pre-plan. Usually experience helps you out too, because you know what works good, what doesn't, what can be reused, and what you shouldn't reuse. And make sure you charge your portable charging banks. Some airports do not have the outlets on the seats or anywhere, and if it does have it, it's already taken. Should I take my Joby? Yeah, sure. So hopefully I packed just enough and didn't forget anything. And if I did, just buy it over there.